Today we focus on the topic home. Where is your place where you feel safe, secure, and protected? Close your eyes and breathe deeply in and slowly out. One more time, deeply in and long out. Imagine you are a mythical creature, a fairy, an elf, goblin, or any other beautiful creature. Why? Because they are the spirits of the trees, feeling the connection to nature and living in harmony with it. As your very, very special mythical creature, let yourself be carried through your body with your breath and ask yourself, where do I feel at home in myself? Where do I feel cozy and safe? Have you found the place within you? Yes? Wonderful! Stay here. And if you're still searching, then keep flowing and choose your heart. Take another deep inhale and with a smile connect to your inner home. Exhale and let yourself be carried through the world. You know, a protective mushroom roof is available in so many variations. Sometimes also as a snail shell. It is like an embrace of the forest. Feel the vastness of your heart, and you feel at home everywhere you go. Home is where your heart feels cozy and comfortable.